Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Naomi. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm a YouTuber based in Benin, Nigeria. I create content like makeup tutorial, hair tutorials, relaxed hair videos, wedding vlogs, and so much more. And you're welcome to my channel. So today's video, according to the title, I will be sharing on different types of conditioners, hair conditioners, and their usefulness. Some of the things I will be sharing in this video are things that I wish I knew them a while back. The essence of this video is basically bringing information to help you in your healthy hair journey. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're a beginner and you don't know what conditioners are, you don't know what it does for your hair, this video is for you. I'd like you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe down below because we have so much more videos coming your way. First things first, what we're going to talk about is the traditional rinse out conditioners. Hair conditioners are used to improve the feel, appearance, and manageability of the hair. Now that's just what it does. These type of conditioners are supposed to be, rinsed out. You're supposed to rinse it out. Even your stylists know every time you go to the salon to wash your hair and they shampoo, immediately they finish shampooing, they rinse out all the lather from your hair. They go ahead and apply the conditioner, and then they also let that stay in your hair for about a minute or two. Then you notice they start to comb your hair. The conditioner has a way of making your hair strands easier to comb. It loosens up the tangles, and it just smoothens your hair and makes it easy for comb to really go through your hair. Conditioners are actually there to help make your hair easier to tangle, and sometimes it adds shine to your hair, makes your hair softer, and yeah, there's a lot of good things that conditioners can do for your hair. So what are the benefits of using conditioners? I remember way back when we were growing up, a lot of our parents didn't really care so much about buying shampoo and conditioners in the house. I don't know, but I mean, like, majority of us then, usually the only time you get shampoo and conditioner in your hair is when you go to the salon. Like, a lot of that work was left to the hairstylist. Like, I remember when I used the same soap that I used to wash my body on my hair. That's why you see a lot of children at that time, their hair is usually red, some is breaking, some is short, a lot of things was happening to your hair. Nobody really cared so much as buying shampoo and conditioner. I didn't think we don't even know what those things are. Like, we didn't care so much about it, like, at that time. So you could use any soap you find at home except from Omo. But I know those bar soap, we used to use it to wash our hair. As long as there is lather, and there's a lot of lather, we're excited, and you put water over it, your hair is clean, and you go and they can comb the hair. And once it's dry, once your hair dries, it becomes extremely strong, and you be like, what is going on? And after a while, your mom will tell you, yeah, come and go to Amaka salon, let them relax your hair for you. This hair don't do. It's not because the hair is due. You probably just use one soap that is not supposed to, you're not supposed to use for the hair to wash the hair, and after that you didn't condition the hair. You actually just let the hair dry like that. Sometimes you don't even detangle the hair very well, you just leave it like that. So once your hair dries, it dries down, everything is all coiled up, and yeah. So one of the benefits of using hair conditioners are, number one, it makes the hair easier to comb. Like, that is just one of the very first thing I notice every time you go to the salon. I'm sure you have noticed this as well. Conditioners just help to detangle your hair. It makes it easy for them to comb. Sometimes it adds shine to your hair. Your hair will just be shining and really, really soft and silky. So these are some of the benefits of using conditioners. So if you haven't used conditioners, I encourage you to go ahead and buy one of these. Some people feel like maybe I shouldn't condition my hair every time. Every time you shampoo your hair, every time you go ahead to wash your hair with your favorite shampoo, you should always condition the hair. The next thing I want to talk about is deep conditioners. Oh my god, you guys, I have a very hilarious story about my first contact with deep conditioners. I swear, every time I remember this story, it always makes me laugh. When you think about deep conditioners, the first thing I like you to think about is a hair treatment. Something that sort of like fortifies your hair, protects your hair against chemicals and heat styling and whatever kind of styling you must have been putting your hair through. Yeah, because our hair go through a lot, because after weaving your putting your hair in cornrows, you're putting a wig over it. After that, you're taking it down, you're doing braids. After braids, you're doing updo. After that, you're flat tonguing the hair. After that, you're relaxing. Our hair literally goes through a lot. Now, deep conditioners are just a way of treating your hair, like giving your hair some love. Now, some deep conditioners, the consistency is kind of different from the regular rinse out conditioners. I love using my deep conditioners because they work extremely well in making my hair super soft and manageable. Deep conditioners are something you want to keep doing, maybe 1 or 2 weeks interval if you know you're going to be stretching your new growth before you get a relaxer. It will help make your new growth softer and easier to manage, as well as your hair. It fortifies your hair, makes your hair stronger. Some of them are like protein treatments for your hair. Now, there are a lot of DIY deep conditioners that a lot of people are doing right now. I have only tried aloe vera and I loved it for my hair. There are a lot of them on YouTube here, like how to use avocado, banana, honey, and different stuff just to make your hair really soft. But there are some, already packed ones that brands are selling right now. The ones I've been loving are this one from Nature's Gentle Touch. You want to make sure that you shampoo your hair first. Your hair will benefit a lot more from deep conditioners when your scalp is clean and your hair is clean. Towel your hair dry, right, while your hair is still damp. Then you go ahead and apply the deep conditioner. You want to start from the tip of your hair and work your way to the roots of your hair. Now, sometimes if you read on the label, I always say this: if you buy a product, ensure to read the instruction at the back or on the label of the container. You will see the instructions, the brand telling you how to use the product, how long to leave the product on your hair. It's very important that you follow the instructions on the label. So the Nature's Gentle Touch will tell you to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want a deep conditioning treatment, they tell you to leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. And they also advise that you put your hair in a plastic cap, or sit under a hair dryer, or sit on under a heat cap, just so your hair cuticles are opened up, and then your hair can benefit a lot from the deep conditioning treatment. And after that, you're advised to wash your hair off with cool water, just so your cuticles are closed up, you see. And yeah, immediately you're done like washing off the deep conditioning of your hair, you can feel your hair super soft, bouncy, super shiny, and just really easy to comb, and it's just beautiful. You can feel your hair super soft. I can't overemphasize this enough because I know this and I've used it a lot. So if you haven't been doing deep conditioners, I implore you to go ahead and buy 1 cup. Find your favorite product. I think Mega Growth, Nature's Gentle Touch, Cantu something, they have like a lot of brands have their own deep conditioning treatment. So you want to go ahead and do that research and find the one that you love. The one I'm currently using is the Nature's Gentle Touch deep conditioning cholesterol treatment. I love it. I love how it makes my hair feel. And yeah, number 1, it hydrates your hair, which is super true. It makes your hair feel really soft. It reduces damages, which is true. It improves the shine of your hair, and it also strengthens your hair. I feel like every time I do a deep conditioner, my hair feels twice as strong, you see. So yeah, these are some of the benefits of using deep conditioners. And down to the very last conditioner I will be talking about today. This is my absolute favorite. This is called the leave-in conditioner. Yeah, just like the name implies, it's a conditioner that you apply to your hair and leave it on the hair. This time they don't wash it out at all. It's not like the traditional conditioner, neither is it like the deep conditioner. You do not rinse this out at all. It's supposed to stay in your hair. So for the record, leave-in conditioners offers a level of detangling, moisturizing, and heat protecting properties. So when your hair feels dry and unruly and you feel like your hair needs some love, leave-in conditioners are your go-to to help combat that dryness and frizziness. A lot of people complain of dry hair, frizzy hair, damaged hair, you see. So leave-in conditioners are like very handy. I love my Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. You guys, I have been talking about this conditioner on this channel countless times. It's been like how do I say it, a miracle worker for me. Notice that my hair dries out really quickly, As the Mega Grow leave-in conditioner is just like a go-to. It's always in my shelf, and it leaves my hair super shiny, leaves my hair very soft and easy to manage. That's just the best. I would still refer back to my video where I talked about how to manage your new growth and also stretch your relaxer. Leave-in conditioners are great to just help you detangle your hair day to day while you're stretching your relaxer, because you never ever want to go in to comb your hair when it's super dry, especially when you have lots of new growth for about 2 months long. It becomes really difficult for you to comb the hair because yeah, you have new growth, of course. So by the time you spray your hair with some water and go ahead and apply your leave-in conditioner, your hair becomes really soft, and you can detangle your hair now from the tip all the way to the root without experiencing any pain whatsoever. I love the leave-in conditioners. They are just a staple in my kits. I cannot do without leave-in conditioners. Apply the product to wet or damp hair. Do not rinse it out. You can do this before bed. Actually, the Mega Growth will tell you, the instruction on the label will tell you to apply the leave-in conditioner at night, so that while you sleep, your hair can benefit a lot more from the conditioner. So which is great, but I've never really tried, maybe just once. But I usually do it in the mornings during the day before I go out, so it doesn't really matter. Whenever you feel like your hair is dry and it needs some love, you need to go on ahead and apply some leave-in conditioner. So yeah, this is everything, you guys. I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two. I hope you understand what traditional conditioners are. I hope you understand what deep conditioners are. I hope you understand what leave-in conditioners are. And I really wanted to come on here and share them with you guys. If you have any questions for me, do leave them down below in the comment section. I reply to every single comment. Subscribe down below for more videos like this. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and learned something new, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.